Here we come to the elevator at Terminal A in the Skyway at George Bush Intercontinental Airport in Houston, Texas, and it's already here. Oh good, this is a glass one, nice. This is a glass elevator, nice. I'm not sure how well we're able to get out the view. Yeah, I don't think we're able to because the advertisements are covered up. And notice those dots out there make it hard for us to see. Let's look out this way. This is holeless hydraulic, nice. This is holeless. Door closes and push the button, I love that. All right, we're gonna watch from the other side now. I think the left side, I think my left has a much better view. Yeah, I think the left side had a much better view. We'll watch out the left side one more time. We're going to get off and end the video. So this is definitely a nice elevator, I will say that. We can hear the motor, but the fan is like literally overpowering it. All right, we'll get off at 2 and head back to the train. Or we're gonna go ahead and get off because somebody's gonna need the elevator. All right, watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.